Welcome to EPIT Reseller Private Limited. So this is Surya Prakash bought with a new idea. So here we are presenting cloud assistant school children tracking project. So it includes two parts. So this is given to have the RFID based attendance system with cloud facility, and this is the thing that is given to the child in order to ensure that they remain in the school premises. So this project, what it does, if the child crosses this school premises around 50 meters of radius, then immediately an alert is given. So here we have RFID tags. So with these tags they can perform this cloud attendance. And here we have equipments like sim 900A with a sim installed and Arduino Nano. So this is buck converter. So here we will reduce the supply for our apparatus usage. And this is a RTC module. So it's a tuned RTC module. It gives a real-time clock, time, date and time. And this is a Neo 7M GPS module, and I think we got the GPS signal also. Yes, we got the GPS signal. This is RFID tag receiver. This is ESP8266 module, and here we have BMS. So let's see the working. So here it will tell us the what we call. So here we are already testing it, and we have gone out of the location. That means we are not in the limit radius of 50 meters. We are out of the location. That is why we got a message like out of location at altitude, and when the message, so you see it keep on messaging us like the device is out of location. And if this is the button given here to facilitate the child, so if this button is pressed, we will get a notification that the child is in some danger. So let us wait for the message and let us see for that. So you can see I need help at location so and so. So even the child is out of location, and the message is also like I need help at that location and time. So both things can be done with this project. So let's see the working. So here we have the cloud DB, and I'm going to tap and mark my cloud attendance. So you can see it is given my attendance at this time. So for each day we will get the inlet marking. So this is the end of the project.